Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na Baroh kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka paret but hilaban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hilaru ban syukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe khandai pra.
Usumbut Menteri Rambak Gazalau bak Preston Song Uloong bak Sorkar ke Pynkhreh ke Mashin Baroh apsau Kynta Rngaiñ bakin Pynkhreh lada kadon ke nugu jing tua ha ke nugu po Uloong bak jing toket halor ke jing ja ke badang suggestion ha ke ba armut gibril glayap menta kadang ya chkhmat ha ke ba ide pat bak jing tua khendo hasuna pu tunnel bak Preston Uloong bagi National Highway kim ha ba po jing pai ke PWD ban ka shang ha ke Nhidcl.
That one, in fact, I've already instructed Nhidcl official, be alert, and 24/7 you have to also have a ready-made functionaries and also machineries. Whenever the landslide takes place, we have to remove it within 4 hours' time. No, that one, now the city investigation is on, and the police is on the job. IO is on the job, and once the process of investigation is completed, so they'll submit the report to the government. Yes, it is. But see, again, let me just tell you one thing. As far as National Highway is concerned, it is not directly in the control of the state BOT. Shillong Dauki is being handed over to Nhidcl, and the Shillong, Guwahati, Jorabat, and then up to Snapur again is being handled by Nahai. So these two organizations is being controlled by the Ministry of Road Transport themselves, and they are the one who has to look after all this. And we are in touch with them, and we have told them also, please be proactive and make sure that the traffic movement does not hamper much.
But any long-term plans for the forum?
Long-term plan, yes. In fact, what happened was the expert from Delhi, the expert from IIT, they keep coming. They do the detailed survey, the detailed research, how to go about it, and that again they submitted directly the report to the Ministry of Road Transport.